to teach you how to make buñuelos. Point number 1. You must have coastal cheese, flour for buñuelos, milk, and oil. Point number 2. Grate the cheese and put it in a pan. I have the cheese here. Do the same with the flour and mix them in a bowl. When they are already mixed, add a little milk. Mix again. Stop adding milk if the dough is already soft. In a pot, heat the oil. When it is hot, take a portion of the dough and knead it until it's a ball. Do that until the dough runs out. Enjoy your buñuelos. If there is any question or complaint, search by Google.